Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have rotator interval. What is the rotator interval? Rotator interval is the difference between subscapularis and the supraspinatus is called as rotator interval. The difference between the subscapularis and the supraspinatus is called as rotator interval. So if you see in this diagram, the subscapularis is here, the supraspinatus tendon is here. This part between the subscapularis and the supraspinatus, this is called as rotator interval.
thank you and thank you for watching.